Oh look, they've written it down. You can do that as an outtake if you want. They've written it on there for me because I can't see. Right. Hey everyone. Okay, so before we get started, this is not sponsored, affiliated, nothing, anything to do with money. I've not received any, and I will not receive any if you buy any. Nothing at all. I just want you to know that it's important because when there's early access and things like that, it can look otherwise. I promise there's nothing monetary value towards me in this video whatsoever. So, Merit have just released some brand new lip liners and some brand new lip oils or lip slicks or sheens. I'll find the name in a second. So I'm going to do some swatches, reviews for you, tell you what I think, because I know you're going to think like, oh, but for a lip liner, these are epic. So we'll start with the lip liners. Now, first of all, I just want you to see here. So they sent me these and, oh, it's there. No, it's not. Where is it? It's there. Anyway, so I just generally can't, I can't see up close, so they had to write it in really big writing so I could read them out, because they sent me them and I opened them up. I was like, I can't read them. I can't see. So thank you so much. That was just my excuse, so I get double. But anyway, right. So what makes these unique is that these are lip liners, of course, but they're the most buttery, sheer, and highly pigmented lip liner I've ever seen. And I know that's an oxymoron because you can't have something sheer and it be pigmented, but wait till you see, you'll get what I mean. But they glide on like butter. Like there is no lip liner out there that glides on like this. It's almost like there's like an oil. It just straight on, incredibly pigmented, yet at the same time sheer. You'll understand when you use them. Beautiful, beautiful formula. No formula out there like this. Also, again, links in the description bar, but just click the first one, type in the word Wayne, and you'll get early access to stuff. It's nice. So next up, the gorgeous lip oils here. So there's 4 new gorgeous ones. Now these are slightly more pigmented than some of the others in the range, and the fact that they come in these really neutral colors, yes please. I'm not a massive fan of bright red lips or anything like that. I like anything in that brown, nudie, pinky kind of tone. These make me very happy. So let me do some swatches for you. I've got to say, as I get older, my taste in makeup changed, and has changed, not a huge amount, but a little bit, but I'm loving the lip oils. I love this is where I go again, but the sheer and the pigment side of it, that they're both sheer and pigmented at the same time. They feel heavenly on the lip. With the lip liner, it is the most amazing combination you've ever seen. No, I'm not going to be demonstrating it because I've got a beard and I look like Kenny Everett when I try that. Here's a funny story. Ages ago, do you know what? I'll save it for another time. But it was a funny story. Do you know what? I might just mention it. The company asked me to do some lip stuff. And I was like, honestly, you don't want me to put it on my lips. It will look horrific. They said, no, we really do. I sent it over to them and they responded going, you're absolutely right. We'll find someone else. Goodbye. Right, there you go. Links in the description bar, early access. Have a good time. These are so pretty, so pigmented, so beautiful. I promise I'm not sponsored, affiliated, paid for, or anything other than nothing. It's just nothing, I promise. There's no money been exchanged ever. I would like to though. Just in case you're listening, Merit. Thank you very much. Right, see you all next time. Bye-bye.